Hello everyone, today I will show you how to add realistic camera shake effect in DaVinci Resolve. And here's how it is done. I have added a video to my timeline and cut out the part where it hits the water. The section I want to make shake, let us begin. By opening the effects library, select Open FX, then click the magnifying glass to open the search box and type shake. Drag the camera shake effect onto your video clip. Next, go to the Inspector panel and select the Open FX tab. The pan amplitude controls how intense the horizontal shakes are, so I recommend turning that off. Tilt amplitude affects the vertical shakes, so you'll likely want to increase that. For a balanced shake, I suggest keeping the tilt amplitude slightly higher than the pan amplitude. The PTR speed determines how fast the shakes occur, so increase that if you'd like a more dynamic effect. Now this looks pretty good, but you might notice black borders during the shake. To fix this, go to blanking handling and increase the zoom to crop until the black edges disappear. And that's everything you need to know about how to add realistic camera shake effect in DaVinci Resolve. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.